Join me as I try to predict whether AGMH stock will soar in 2025, and I'll share my analysis and insights along the way. AGMH has been making waves in the stock market lately, and for good reason. As a leading player in its industry, its performance has a significant impact on the overall market sentiment. That's why it's essential to keep a close eye on AGMH's stock performance, especially as we head into 2025. AGMH faces some significant challenges in the current market. One of the major concerns is the recent downturn in its stock value. Share prices have been hovering around a critical support level, and a further decline could spell disaster for investors. Additionally, the company operates in a highly competitive industry, where disruptors and new entrants are constantly threatening to upend the status quo. AGMH needs to navigate these challenges skillfully to stay ahead of the curve. Another major obstacle is the ongoing regulatory uncertainty, which is affecting investor confidence and making it harder for AGMH to attract new capital. Lastly, the company's operating margins have been under pressure due to rising costs and stagnant revenue growth, which could further erode investor confidence if left unaddressed. Historically, AGMH has been able to adapt to changing market conditions, but the current environment is particularly treacherous. The company needs to find a way to reignite its growth engine and convince investors that it has a solid plan to overcome the current obstacles. Any misstep could have serious consequences for its stock price. AGMH's management has been working hard to address these challenges, but the jury is still out on whether their efforts will be enough to turn the tide. AGMH's business model has been successful in the past, but it's facing significant headwinds in the current market. The company's reliance on a few key customers means that any disruption in those relationships could have a disproportionate impact on its revenue. Furthermore, the shift towards more sustainable and eco-friendly products is forcing AGMH to rethink its supply chain and manufacturing processes. While these changes could ultimately benefit the company, they also pose significant near-term risks. On the other hand, expert opinions and forecasts suggest that AGMH's focus on innovation and R&D could pay off in the long run, driving growth and increasing its competitiveness. Some analysts believe that AGMH's stock is due for a rebound, citing its strong track record of navigating tough market conditions. They argue that the current downturn is an overreaction to short-term challenges and that the company's underlying fundamentals remain strong. Others point to the growing demand for AGMH's products and services, which could drive revenue growth and boost its stock price. While there are valid arguments on both sides, one thing is clear: AGMH's stock is at a critical juncture, and the next few months will be crucial in determining its trajectory. According to some expert predictions, AGMH's stock is poised for a significant rally in 2025. They point to the company's impressive pipeline of new products and services, which could drive revenue growth and increase profitability. Additionally, the ongoing efforts to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs could lead to significant margin expansion, boosting the company's bottom line. While these predictions are certainly compelling, it's essential to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism and consider the potential risks and challenges that AGMH still faces. To summarize, AGMH's stock performance in 2025 will depend on several key factors, including its ability to navigate the current challenges, the success of its innovation efforts, and the overall market sentiment. While there are valid arguments for and against its growth, one thing is clear: AGMH's stock is at a critical juncture, and investors need to stay vigilant to capitalize on any potential opportunities. What do you think about AGMH's stock prospects in 2025? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more stock analysis and insights.